Thanks for joining me outside of my deck. The reason I came outside is to talk about everybody's favorite topic, whipped cream. All right, almost favorite topic. But here's the thing. There's so many misconceptions about whipped cream that when you make it yourself, yeah, you can buy it in the canned little tubs. It's not the same. Some of them are okay. It's not the same. Here's the thing. Some people say you need a stand mixer. Some people say you need a hand mixer, both electric. Some people say you got to put the beaters and the bowl in the freezer for an hour, a week, 2 days, whatever. No, you don't need any of those. What you need is a bowl, you need a whisk, you need cream. Cream's got to be cold, maybe a little confectioner's sugar if you like it. Let me show you. That's why it's so easy. Outdoors, there's the bowl, there's the whisk, everything you need to make whipped cream. This is the bowl, this is the whisk. And when I'm doing it by hand, when I'm whipping up cream, I like to go no more than a cup by hand. If it's more than a cup of cream, it takes a little bit longer. See, you've got the cream there. 2 steps in doing this. Both involve whisking. First one is just start whisking away. And you whisk it for maybe a minute. It could even be a matter of seconds until it gets to be a little bit frothy. See, you've got some nice foam going there. Once you get the foam going, that's when you want to add confectioner's sugar. Now, here's something nobody ever tells you. If you don't have confectioner's sugar, you can actually use regular granulated sugar. Use a bit of it. Don't want to use a ton. It'll be fine. You want to get the foam there to help it incorporate. And now, this might take a couple of minutes. Notice what you don't see. You don't see much of the bottom of the bowl when I'm doing. That's going to be a giveaway when it's really starting to catch. It's already starting to thicken a bit. And all of a sudden, you see, the bottom of the bowl is starting to appear more and more. That's because this is thickening. This is almost ready. It hasn't been that long. Look at that. It's almost ready. Look at that. See all the bottom of the bowl? That means you've got whipped cream there. There it is, whipped cream. It's that easy, it's that fast. It's pretty spectacular stuff, and it's so much better than what you're going to buy. And you can make as much as you need or as little as you need. And if you like this video, please like it and then hit subscribe. Thank you.